Good morning, friends. Now let's get through our problem of the day. So, we're going to work on reading this problem 3 times so we can make sure that we are paying attention, studying the problem, organizing the facts, and then solving. So, my first read, Shane gave his teacher 11 pencils. Luna gave the teacher 14 pencils. How many pencils did the teacher get? First step, I'm going to study my problem. Now, the question is how many pencils did the teacher get? So that is my question. I studied the problem. So she's getting some pencils from Shane, some from Luna. I'm trying to figure out how many she gets from both of them. Now let me organize the facts. So second read, I'm going to organize my facts. Shane gave his teacher 11 pencils. Luna gave the teacher 14 pencils. How many pencils did the teacher get? So I'm going to make sure I understand what's happening. We have Shane, and he gave his teacher 11 pencils. So Shane gave his teacher 11 pencils. We also have Luna, who gave her teacher 14 pencils. So Luna gave her teacher 14 pencils. Okay, and we're trying to figure out how many pencils did the teacher get. Now, I'm going to do one more read and make sure that I'm visualizing what's happening. Shane gave his teacher 11 pencils. Luna gave the teacher 14 pencils. How many pencils did the teacher get? Now I'm going to start with my first strategy. I'm actually just going to draw it out with 10 sticks and put them all together. So I'm going to write Shane, and Shane had 11 pencils. I'm also going to write Luna. Luna had 14 pencils. Now, Shane gave his pencils to the teacher, and Luna gave her pencils to the teacher. So I have 11 pencils from Shane, and I'm going to put 14 more. So I'm going to put another 10, and I'm going to put 4 more ones. How many pencils does the teacher have altogether? 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So the teacher has 25 pencils. Okay, now let's try another strategy. Now I know that Luna has 14 pencils. I got that from my problem. I know that Shane has 11 pencils. And on this one, I'm going to use a number line to help me solve it. So I'm going to draw my number line. I'm going to start with the 14. Now, 11 can be split into a 10 and a 1. So I'm going to make a big jump for 10. 14 plus 10 gives me 24. Now I have to jump 1. Small jump for 1. So 24 plus 1 equals 25. So how many pencils does the teacher have? We have the 14 from Shane and the 11 from Luna, and we end up with 25. Now my answer sentence, the question says how many pencils did the teacher get? The teacher got 25 pencils. Good job. Now, if you tried out the challenge question, let's look at this really quickly. The teacher gives 4 pencils to James. How many pencils does she have now? My question is, how many pencils does she have now? How many pencils did the teacher start with? Oh, we have that answer. Here, and here, and here. So the teacher started with 25 pencils. Now, what does she do? She gives 4 pencils to James. So, we're going to take 4 pencils away. 25 minus 4 gives me 21. So, how many pencils does she have now? She has 21 pencils now. Great job, my friends. Go ahead and move on to reading.